We're going to talk about analysis mode. And the purpose of this mode is to look over resume best practices and some of our guidance and suggestions on how to up the overall quality of your resume. So this video is going to focus on the basic functionality. This is the stuff you get as part of your Teal membership, and then there'll be a separate module on the Teal Plus components to it. So when you come over to analysis, and I've turned everything off so you can see all the rules. So when you come over to analysis right now, this resume is scoring a 0 because nothing is on. We got lots of issues in all the different places. So we look out for some basic things, just like, are you making sure all your contact information is on there? Now, again, these are our opinions. So we think you should have at the very minimum a first and last name. We think in today's day and age, you should have an email address. And when you turn them on, you see that it sort of goes addressing your score. Now, when you expand, you just click on the card, it expands it. And if you have the data already, you can just, turn it on from here. If it's existing, you can turn it on. But let me show you if it's not there. Let me go ahead and get rid of Miami. And so I'm still missing the city. Now I can type it here and I can fix the issue from the card. Target title, again, I'd say it's important. There's no way to ignore the rules right now because this is really our score on what we think makes a good resume. And we really believe a target title is the best place for you to present, and you could put in the title that you're applying to. If you choose to ignore it, no problem. It's just not going to address that part of the score. And it's really just about having it on. We also believe strongly that a professional summary is a great thing to do. It's your pitch. I think about the resume as the first third is what compels someone to read the rest of the first page. And that's why these are free. These are the things that we really think everyone should get to. And so you just want to turn on your professional summary. Now, once you do that, you're going to get some other issues potentially on the analysis of the professional summary. Those are part of the advanced analysis. You have no companies and roles. So when you click resolve manually, if it's too complex to sort of fix it in here, it'll take you over to it. It generally should. It sort of wiggles. Sometimes it'll scroll you to it. So let's turn on a company. Let's turn on a position. And so those are on. And then my skills are missing. So if I click resolve manually, it'll take me over to my skills. Let's turn some of those on. And now I've addressed all the free issues. So the advanced issues start to get into the content and analysis of the bullets themselves. The free are really looking at some structural stuff that we want to make sure anyone that produces a resume, whether they're a paid Teal Plus member or not, is at least getting some of that basic guidance to produce good resumes. All right, so that's the analysis mode. Tune into the Teal Plus advanced analysis module to see all the features that unlocks.